Howdy, it's me, Weston again from HR with the City. I'll be your host for this short video. Hopefully you watched the HSA and FSA video already. This video is about another type of FSA dedicated specifically to daycare expenses. The Dependent Daycare Flex Spending Account allows people with children to save taxes on the money you designate for your child's daycare expenses. You'll need to submit a completed paper form to PEHP to apply for the Dependent Daycare FSA. This means you can designate up to $5,000 a year before you are taxed on that income, a big deal for most working parents. Imagine you plan to get as close to the full $5,000 for the plan year without going over. You'd elected approximately $192.30 over 26 paychecks to be designated as dependent daycare funds. If you're a new hire, plan on what you want to designate over the remainder of the current plan year. For example, if you came in halfway through the plan year, you could designate twice as much for your first 6 months and then readjust in the new plan year. Unlike the other FSA accounts dealing with medical expenses, Dependent Daycare FSA funds are not deposited into another separate account. The funds are automatically deposited to the same account as your regular paycheck, a day or two after you get your paycheck. The funds are just designated as dependent daycare funds when reported to the IRS. You pay your dependent daycare expenses from your checking account and submit receipts to PEHP at the end of the plan year to verify those expenses. The expenses can come from a daycare, friend, or relative, so long as the provider of the daycare is not on your tax return. Consider this benefit if it works for you. You'll be able to sign up on PEHP's website when you enroll in all of your other benefits. We have a robust benefits package, and this Dependent Daycare FSA is even more icing on the cake to help you save even more money on taxes while you're with the city. Welcome. We are excited to see the work you do for the city.